My farm don't pay oh. I don't hammer for this season, chai.
Let me tell you a story about a rich fool. Hope you can learn some lesson from this man.
My farm don't pay oh. I don't hammer for this season, chai.
After harvesting his crops and gather them in a storehouse, see what he has to say.
This one no fit contain my blessings oh. I go build bigger barns. E too plenty.
Then he said to himself, now that I have everything in abundance, I just have to sit and enjoy.
Now I go chop life. I go eat, drink, and enjoy life every day. No more work for me, chai.
After eating and drinking, then he went to bed and sleep. He started snoring. There came a voice from heaven, loud and clear, and said this to him.
You fool! Tonight your soul will be taken. Who will enjoy your riches now?
He woke up from sleep and started trembling, and that very night he died.
That very night, his soul was taken, and all he had meant nothing.
After his death, one of his workers came and shut the gate.
This story teach me say life no be about money. You fit get everything, but if you no get God, you get nothing. Now I know say real wealth. Now to know God no be to gather money and impress people. Baba Tunde build big band so plenty food, he dey dance so. I go chop, I go rest. Baba Tunde build big band so plenty food, he dey dance so. I go chop, I go rest. Baba Tunde build big band so plenty food, he dey dance so. I go chop, I go rest.
God say, fool! Tonight you go, all your wealth, who go know? You fit get gold and still lose soul.